Zero Defect Theory.
By Philip Crosby. Table of Contents. What is the zero defect theory? Who is Philip Crosby? Conclusion. Concept of zero defect theory.
Philip Crosby is a noted quality professional, author, and consultant who is widely known for promoting the concept of zero defects and for attempting to define quality from the viewpoint of conformance to requirements.
Crosby stated that since quality is free, it is less expensive to do it right the first time rather than paying for repairs and reworks.
The zero defects theory is the concept of doing it right the first time to avoid cost and time spent later in the process of project management.
Zero defects is referred to as a philosophy, a mentality or a movement. It's not a program, nor does it have distinct steps to follow or rules to abide by. This is perhaps why zero defects can be so effective, because it means it's adaptable to any situation, business, profession or industry. Zero defects theory ensures that there is no waste existing in a project. Waste refers to all unproductive processes, tools, employees and so on. Anything that is unproductive and does not add value to a project should be eliminated, called the process of elimination of waste. Eliminating waste creates a process of improvement and correspondingly lowers costs. Common with the zero defects theory is the concept of doing it right the first time to avoid costly and time-consuming fixes later in the project management process.
Paula, Joseph and Daniel are all heads of production in factories which deliver products through multi-stage lines. They all face the same challenge. More and more the complexity of their products increases, and the length of series shrinks, rendering traditional quality control tools obsolete, and the efficient use of resources more complicated. Joseph's company manufactures jet engine shafts. These are extremely slender parts, and maintaining their dimensions throughout the entire line is complex. Paula's company produces medical microcatheters. They can show different types of defects, but she doesn't know what the causes are or how to solve them. Daniel's company manufactures train axles. Important geometry variations are sometimes produced at the initial stage, and the parts risk being damaged downstream, rendering them useless. To address common solutions to these problems, a consortium of 13 European partners.
Philip Crosby's ideas on quality came from his vast experience of working with an assembly line. His focus was on zero defects, which ultimately led to the adoption of this concept by the modern Six Sigma quality movement. Mr. Crosby explained the idea that zero defects is not a phenomenon that originated on the assembly line. He defined quality as a conformity to a set of specifications defined by the management rather than a vague concept of goodness. However, these specifications are set according to the needs and wants of the customer rather than being arbitrarily defined.